Hi there, welcome to Artifacts Friday. Today we're going to talk about hand-painted pearlware ceramics that were found on Parker Plantation during, they were used during the Parker Plantation era of 1796 to 1836 at Parker Plantation just outside of Savannah. These ceramics could have been used by the enslaved people, overseer, or the Parker family. And these ceramics in particular that I'll be talking about today were found in the two large trash pits we found, but also were found throughout the plow zone of the site. Just to give you a little bit of context, this is what our large trash pit looked like that was adjacent to the wall trench that we found. This is feature 35, and it contained both early and late hand-painted polychrome pearlware. This is the piece in the upper right, or upper left-hand corner is the piece of early polychrome pearlware that we found. It's also known as Gaudy Dutch, and that was found in feature 35, the picture I just showed you, and it dates to 1795 to 1820. Similar sort of ceramics that are found on the University of Florida Historic Ceramics website are pictured here to the right with similar examples. Early polychrome pearlware has a couple of different qualities. It has a white to cream colored. It is thin, hard, and a refined earthenware paste. The lead glazed has a white to a faint blue-white clear, which is caused by the addition of cobalt to the glaze, which causes the blue cast. For decorations, delicately painted floral wreaths were in olive green, blue, and mustard yellow like you see here. And as I said before, this is known as Gaudy Dutch. This can occur on pearlware or creamware, and the dates are very similar to both. And these designs are found on bowls, cups, saucers, or teapots. In feature 3, we found late hand-painted polychrome pearlware. You see the progression of the excavation of feature 3 here. The upper right is before we started excavating and after we stripped down to the surface of the historic ground surface. To the right is when we bisected it and did exactly half, or almost exactly half, to get the idea of what shape this pit was and how the depth of it before we dug the other side. And the bottom picture is when we completed the excavation. And to tell you a little bit about late polychrome pearlware, the range is a very, very short range. It's 1830 to 1840, and this is a hand-painted piece that we found to our left of the slide with the blue and green sort of floral paintings. And there's other examples of this shown on the University of Florida Historic Ceramics website to our right. Shows several more colors. And the late polychrome pearlware has similar qualities. It still has the, the white to cream colored, thin, hard refined earthenware paste. It also has the bluish cast in the lead glaze due to the addition of cobalt to the glaze. Initially, as we discussed, brown, mustard, yellow, and olive green were colors used. But now, after 1830, reddish, black, light blue, and light green shades were added. This was a popular design or type of pearlware to have among the poorer classes. The paste of the pearlware after 1810 is heavier and whiter with a harder glaze. It may vary in color to almost clear to a deeply bluish tint. And these vessels forms for the late polychrome are bowls, cups, platters, and saucers. So that's our Polychrome Pearlware Artifact Friday. I hope you enjoyed. I look forward to talking to you guys next week. Have a good weekend.